There never seems to be a single penny left for me. That's too bad. In my dreams I have a plan. If I got me a wealthy man, I wouldn't have to crawl like a filthy ground and have a ball. Money, 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 here's money, so that you get the fake money, 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 always sunny in a rich man's world. All the things I do, if I had a little money, it's a rich man's world. Look at you, it's a rich man's world. Come on. Thank you very much. Sinisip mo na ako. Kasi naman, parang nakabibad. So, we're going to have our table over here, and we're going to have a meet and greet. But before that, I'd like to call Bob because meron tayong magandang balita galing sa Kabayan Finance. Bob, kumusta ka na?
Okay lang. Nakausap ko na sila kanina actually. Pero yung pinangako natin yung first na magbilang ng rocket ticket. Special edition na Kabayan Finance na sweatshirt. And, alright. So, bubunot na kami and yung nanalo for